Chrysler Town and Country. Replaced the oil filter adapter. Although the plastic adapter upon inspection had no cracks whatsoever, but that doesn't stop it from leaking because the gaskets underneath it can shrink and cause oil and coolant leakage. But anyway, here I replace it with a Dorman all-metal version. That eliminates the possibility of it cracking down the road. What I did coat all the gaskets with engine oil lightly, even for the lower intake manifold. All these gaskets were coated with engine oil lightly. Also cleaned the ports with throttle body cleaner. There was some gunk in there. Quite a number of videos showing how to do this job, replacing the coil plugs, oil filter adapter. So I don't need to show you how this is done, but I have some tips. Removing the injector connectors could be tricky. At least it was for me. They were not easily dislodged. This one, for instance, broke. So to avoid further breakage, what I did, I shot it with a PB blaster and let it soak for a little bit. And then using a pry tool like the rest of them do, it came out, dislodged itself easily and allowed the connector to be removed without breaking these red tabs. So you may want to remember that. Also replace the oil cooler outlet hose with new, because you don't want to replace this later. It's no time to cut corners here. This is the old one and that's the new one. Mopar comes with the clamps. And this retainer that goes on the block. This hose you can not replace with the hose from AutoZone or places like that, because it has two different diameters. One side is 5/8, the other side that goes here is 3/4. So you gotta buy this from Chrysler, which is not a bad idea. This is the part number. So it is 68057473AE-001. Like I said, comes with the clamps, everything ready to go. You must do this job if you don't want to have problems later. It's, like I said, no time to cut corners here. I think it's been cleaned out and it's ready to be assembled.